Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on Cyberpower UPS battery backup. The one with the LCD display. I will tell you what type of problem I'm having with this is even though this is plugged into the wall outlet and all the connections connected to the battery outlets, whatever is connected here, it just dies after like 5-10 minutes or something. First I thought the entire unit is going bad, but then I did a test which revealed that the problem is with the battery, and I'll show you how to do the testing. Remember, everything on the surge always stayed on even though everything else on the left hand side died. Okay, before I start, please don't forget to like and subscribe for latest videos and technology updates. If you would like to learn something, or you're stuck in with some technology decisions, feel free to message me and I'll try my best to help you or create a video for you. Also, you may visit our company at www.zenus.com. The link is provided in the video. So with any further ado, let me go ahead and start. So the way I had tested this was, as you can see, it's currently unplugged. Okay, this has a battery inside right now. I'm going to turn it on, and you see right here it shows the battery is actually out of battery left. Right, it's giving me about 700 minutes estimated runtime. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plug something. Basically load is 0 right now. So I'm going to plug something in the back on the battery, and then you will see how quickly this will die. So this battery showing right here, this is incorrect. I don't know why it's showing here, but I'll show you how I tested this. Alright, so I am going to plug in a laptop to the back where it says any one of them, where it says surge and battery. As soon as I do that, see, it just dies. It won't even turn on. As soon as I plugged it in, I'm gonna disconnect it again. I'm gonna turn it back on. Okay, look, the battery is showing 2 now. So it's depleting pretty quickly. So let me reconnect. I want you to see that it dies as soon as I plug into any outlet. You see that? You saw the battery dropped 1, 2, and then it died. And this time I plugged into the top one before I had plugged into this one. Prior to that, I had checked each one of them. So how do we replace the battery? And I'll show you how to do that. So this is the screws right here. 1 and 2. I'm gonna open this, and then the door is gonna slide up. It is really handy to have some power tools to work with. If you don't have it, you don't need it all the time. But it just gets things done faster. Okay, lay it down and then just slide it this way. Okay, there we go. So this battery should just slide up right here. I'm gonna wiggle this until this comes unplugged. Just double check. Okay, this one came out, and the yellow one, just wiggle it. As you can see, they have marking. Red goes to red. Well, the other wire is yellow, but here it shows black, so just plug that into. This one, I don't know if you can see it, but there is this bar right here, so I can't just pull out straight. I have to slide it this way and then pull it out. That is the reason why I had to take this battery out first. Okay, there we go. I'm going to replace both batteries because usually it's better to replace them in a pair rather than trying to identify which battery is gone bad. Thing to note that on this side, the red was connected to a yellow wire and the black was connected to black. There was no black wire here, so you have to be very careful. As a matter of fact, I would suggest that you take a picture when you're taking it out. Okay, that's it. Just make sure that you order exactly the same battery. The installation is completely reverse of how we just took it out. Okay guys, so I have received my battery and I'm going to show you how we're going to install this quickly. These are my new replacement battery. I just went ahead and ordered two on Amazon. It cost me about 30 bucks for two. These are the old batteries. I'm pretty sure one of those batteries, old one, worked, but I didn't want to take any risk, so I'm just changing both of them. Okay, so is going to go this way. The yellow is gonna go in well, it's red. The black wire is gonna go in black. So and this one is gonna go like that. The red one is gonna go in red. This time yellow one is gonna go in black. So yeah, I don't know why they have given it like that, but luckily I took a picture of this at the time I took it out, so I made sure how these wires are gonna go. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, you see, that's how you're gonna plug in. Just push it in properly, and there you go. And that's it. Just put this cover back on, just screw it and turn it back on. You're all good to go.